everybody. Welcome to my another amazing course journey. So the course will be about Django. So you will learn backend programming with the Django with me, and you can be sure 100% with me. I mean that you will understand the philosophy overview or the each of the theory that why they created that and what they are trying to do with the backend development. So why we only why we can't do only like front end development, why we need back end. I mean, so you will learn all of these things because the front end and back end is communicating with each other. Well, back end also can create such a page, but there are the things we modify that we want to make a web page beautiful or amazing to show users good interface, user interface. For that we're using React, but for Django the reason is different. So Django is really so powerful for about functionality, so that you can create admin panel or you can create database with that, or you can use also MySQL so to communicate with that, and it can help you to send all this information to the React site or the directly to the user. And then with the React we can, or JavaScript, we can just make interaction there if users want to see such a contents. So well, we will talk all about them. So maybe I'm speaking a little bad. I'm not sure about this overview, but you can trust me, course will be amazing. You will understand each of the instructions. So first we'll start with the our general topic is the backend development. You can also access all these things in GitHub. I almost added there. You can just check it there. I committed there. Introduction to Django. After introduction to Django, we will continue with the model and database. It will be our second topic below of the using Django. It is our part two. You can think like this. We will dive deep, like model and database, what is their relationship, etc. So it is just overview, okay? But in overview, you will already know how to create model or how to make your first project. I mean, you will understand that in the course, okay? So in the first part, we will talk about Django philosophy, brief on in like overview, and there will be installation of the Django, how you can install, and also we will have code examples. I would like you to install Python in your computer, and if it is possible, you can add this into your path, variable environments, uh, environment variables. So you can just add there this path of Python to not leave such an issue. And also you can install Git in your computer. It will also help you about using Bash. So Bash is amazing then sometime amazing than that PowerShell. You can use it. And another one, resources, is Django research, books, etc. I read a lot about it. And also I have past experience and meaningful contents that I get from ChatGPT to create these contents in here, as you see in Figma, to group things or to make them looks beautiful. So, okay, first topic will be Django philosophy overview and project setup. The second one, creating your data model. You will learn how to create your data model, and also you will be sure about the structure of these files and the directories, how they works, and admin interface. You will learn what's going on in admin side, like what we're reading in this file. So, and designing URL patterns, you will know how to design your URL patterns, which is to give their such a path of if people request something else, how you can give path them to access your created models, part of models components, or with the base HTML, etc. We'll talk about it later to about rendering part. Then we will look for the views part. Views part is important. We will because we will put all our connection codes with the model there, and we will render that. And after that, base HTML will check it, and after that, it will send a message to the other side, which is I will tell you all about. Okay, and template connecting with users. This part will be about HTML that we will create there, but we will use Django functionality to create there such a contents in different way to show user something else or just ourselves. Then there will be summary part, and we will continue with the part two. But this is first part. I would like to. So I want to see you there in the first class. Thank you so much. So I hadn't sleep enough for that. I'm speaking little enough and stupidly maybe. See you in first class. Thank you so much. Goodbye.